Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach about similar triangles. This is the chapter 8 from class 10, in which we have to study first what are similar figures and what is the difference between the similar and congruent figures, and then what are the conditions of any figure to be similar. There are any two polygons to be similar. There are any two triangles to be similar. So let's start. First, what are similar figures? Are the two triangles similar? Why? Yes, the two triangles are similar because they are in same shape. So triangle ABC is similar. This is the symbol of similar to triangle PQR, but not similar to this, because these are two triangles. So both the triangles have same shape, but these two are not similar to this circular figure. So these two are similar, but these two are not similar. So it's clear what are similar figures. Two figures are said to be similar if they have same shape. It's clear? Now, similar figures, congruent figures. I am drawing again two figures here, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here triangle DEF and triangle T dash, E dash, F dash. So observe the two figures please. In the first column, these two figures are same in shape. These two figures are same in shape. But here in this column, in congruent figures column, the two figures are same in shape as well as same in size. So it's clear the difference between the two. What are similar figures and what are congruent figures? So let us revise. Two figures are said to be similar if they are same in shape. Two figures are said to be congruent if they are same in shape and size. So we conclude that all congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures are not necessary to congruent. So this is the actual difference between the similar figures and congruent figures, or similar triangles and congruent triangles. So in 9th class we have already learned about congruent triangles and all the criteria of congruency. But in 10th class we have to learn about the similar triangles and criteria of two triangles are similar. The criteria of similar triangles. So let us today, first we have to check what are the conditions required for two polygons to be similar. What are the conditions required for two polygons to be similar? Polygons is any four-sided figure is also a polygon. Three-sided figure, that is triangle, is also a polygon. Five-sided pentagon is also a polygon. So, what are the conditions for the two figures to be, two polygons to be similar? The first condition is conditions for two polygons to be similar. तो पॉलीगॉन में ट्रायंगल हो या quadrilateral हो या पेंटागन हो, any figure. So in this chapter we are considering two triangles. So two triangles are similar if corresponding angles are equal. A correspondingly equal to P, B corresponding equal to Q, and C correspondingly equal to R. The first condition is two triangles are said to be similar if corresponding angles are equal. Second, corresponding sides are in the same ratio or sides are in proportion. Means the first condition, angle A correspondingly equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. This is the first condition, corresponding angles are equal. Second condition, sides are proportional. So yeah, sides are in the same ratio. Yani AP upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. I'm not putting that symbol because it shows that they are equal, so don't confuse. Okay, I'm not putting any symbol here. So it's clear what is the meaning of the proportion. Sides are proportion means, suppose if the measurement of these sides are 2, 1.5 and 1.8. Suppose. So, and is 4, 3 and 3.6. When we find out the ratio AB upon PQ, 2 upon 4, the simplified the answer will be 1 by 2. BC upon QR, 1.5 upon 3, again the answer is 1 by 2. AC upon PR, 1.8 upon 3.6, the answer will be 1 upon 2. So it's clear that two sides are triangle sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal. Suppose A is 60 to B is 60. 60, 60. 80, 80. So 80 or 60, 140. 40, 40. So 60, 60, 80, 80, 40, 40 corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. So these are the two main conditions of any two figures to be similar. Whether the figures are similar triangles, whether the figures are quadrilateral, polygon, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Polygon means any more than two sides figure. Three sides figure भी polygon होता है, लेकिन उसे triangle बोलते हैं. Four sided figure is a quadrilateral. Five sided figure is a pentagon. So here in the class 10, the chapter name is similar triangles, so we are considering two triangles. So now I am revising. Two triangles are similar. The first condition is the corresponding angles are equal, and in the second condition, corresponding sides are proportion, are in proportion, are in ratio, or are in proportion. So in the next class, I will explain you basic proportionality theorem. And in the next class, I will explain you basic proportionality theorem, that is also called Thales theorem with proof and its converse also. So till then, goodbye. Thank you very much.